Hello everyone, welcome back in Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, I will tell you how to install PyCharm on macOS X. PyCharm is a Python development IDE provided by the JetBrains company. So guys, let's get started. So first of all, we will focus on the prerequisite. The most important prerequisite is you must have a Python 3.0 or a later version installed on your machine. If you don't have, so you have to verify. So I will tell you how you can verify the Python on your Mac machine. It's simple. We have to open the Python terminal, then we have to type this simple command. I will show you how you can do it. Open the Spotlight search, type the terminal, and the terminal will appear. Then we will type the simple command Python 3 space hyphen version, then press enter. Then you will see a message Python 3.6.1 or something different one in your machine. So you must ensure you are getting this message, but you must have the 3.0 or a later version. If you don't have, so please download from the net and install in your Mac. Then you can proceed with this installation of PyCharm. In the second step, we have to download the PyCharm setup. So we are going to start for the downloading of the PyCharm and installation, and after that we will do testing by creating a simple Python program, and then we will run it inside the IDE. This is the link for the downloading PyCharm, and the same link is given in the description. You can get that link from the description and open your Chrome browser or any of your favorite browser. Go to the address bar and paste it, then hit enter. When you visit this link, you will see this page of the official download page of the PyCharm by JetBrains, and this is the professional version. On the left hand side you can see, and you have many features if you download this one, but this is a trial. After 30 days you have to purchase this version to use the multiple features. We are going to download this community version, which is free. This is for only the pure Python development. So on this link we have to click once, and then this page will appear. So this is saying thank you for downloading PyCharm. Within few seconds we will see a DMG file will start downloading. You can see on the left hand side it is started now. This file is big, so it will take time. For saving the time, I have already downloaded one DMG file and stored here in this separate folder. So we will proceed with this DMG file. So in your case, just download that DMG and do a double click on this disk image, and this is going to be ready to mount. After a few seconds, the disk image is mounted on the drive. And you will see a very first window like this. So here on the left hand side we have our PyCharm IDE, and on the right hand side there is the application folder. So guys, we have to just drag and drop this icon right here inside this applications folder. Once you do that, you will see this progress bar, and this will take more than 30 seconds to complete all. After completion, you will see an icon inside the applications this way. Now close that window. We don't need that more, and we are inside the application folder. And now we are going to proceed with the second step. So we have to launch the IDE first for the first time use. So do a double click on it and you will see the icon inside the dock This is the jumping icon, and yeah, this is loading the PyCharm IDE first time for your Mac. In the second step, we will create a simple Python program, and then we will run it for verifying our installation. Okay, this message will appear that this is downloaded from the internet, so you have to click on this open. Okay, the very first screen you will see the PyCharm welcome screen. There you have option create new project, open the existing project, or get a version control project. So click on the new project, and then you will see new project window. You have to give a name of the new project, so type the name of a new project that you want, and this location can be changed, so I'm not changing right now in this tutorial. So this is on the default in the users folder, and inside this base interpreter list you can see the lot of interpreter of different version: Python 2, Python 3, Python 3.6, Python 2.7. auto detected interpreter are appearing right here. So you have to select in which you want to work, then click on this create button. Once you click on the create, you will see this progress bar of creating virtual environment. So the IDE is setting up the project for you that you are going to run it first time, and once finished you will see a project is set up on the left hand side, this project explorer, and when you see expand this tree you will see a lot of files, the supporting files. This is the Python 3.6 interpreter that we have selected, so this is referring, and other external libraries also appearing in this project tab. So this is empty project, so we have to create one file for testing. So do the right click, select new, then go to add this Python file option, click once, and this small window will appear. So here this window is asking to give the name of the file, so you can give the name of your very first program. I have given this. There is no OK or accept button, so just double click on this Python file, and your Python file will be created inside your project folder. You can see on the left hand side this is created. So an empty Python program file is created. Now we have to write some code to test it. For testing purpose, I have already created and ready program for testing. So I'm copying this program from that notepad to this place inside this Python file, and just save it. Do the right click and come here and select this run first Python program to run it. Once you click, you will see the result inside this console. On this bottom console you have this run button, rerun button also there, so you can execute the same program by clicking on this run button. And there's one more choice for running the same program, is just in front of this file, this small green color play button. So I have just changed some values, value 1 and value 2. Now going to create, run this, and you will see the result, the sum of two float numbers appearing. And guys, there are a lot of things to explore, so this is all yours. You can explore a lot in this PyCharm IDE. This is very useful and very convenient IDE for the Python developers to do Python project developments. I hope you guys found this tutorial useful, so please like this tutorial, and please subscribe my channel, and guys you can press the bell icon so you will get the latest video updates on time. And guys, for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT help.